Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can turn our video into a 3D cartoon video in KineMaster. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my KineMaster application. And for example, I'm going to turn this girl into a 3D cartoon. If we want to do that, we can use the AI effect in KineMaster. You can tap on your video until the video is active, as you can see by the outline that the video is active, and you're going to scroll down right here, then go to the AI style. Okay, and then you can select the 3D cartoon. Okay, and I'm going to choose it. I'm going to apply it to my video, and we just need to wait until the process complete. It depends on our video size and our video duration. Wait. Okay, it's almost done. Okay, now it's complete guys, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to turn our video into a 3D cartoon video in KineMaster. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.